on behalf of the South Goa Tourist Taxi Association, I would want to wish you
Why? What is it?
for having implemented the batch police verification and domicile certificate for all taxi drivers.
How it will benefit you?
Benefit in the sense is it's see, we have been coming up with the system, and by implementation of the batch, it actually secures the tourist, and also it protects our self-interest in the
More
tourism.
interest.
To the taxi driver, our interest of tourist taxi business.
And how the domicile?
Domicile is if you are an outsider, and definitely it will take time for you to, but we being Goans will definitely have a priority over others. It's not that anybody can come and drive in Goa. They need to have a domicile which is 15 years mandatory.